Once upon a time, in a distant corner of the universe, there existed a magical kingdom known as Celestia. In this kingdom, each night, a magnificent star would descend from the sky, illuminating the land with its radiant light and bringing joy to all who beheld its beauty. The star, known as Stella, was cherished by the inhabitants of Celestia, who believed that its presence brought good fortune and prosperity to their kingdom. But one fateful night, as Stella descended from the heavens as usual, disaster struck. A powerful sorcerer cast a dark spell, causing Stella to vanish into the depths of the night sky. As the days passed and Stella remained lost, the once vibrant kingdom of Celestia began to fade, its inhabitants losing hope as darkness threatened to engulf their land. Determined to restore light and hope to their kingdom, a young girl named Luna embarked on a daring quest to find the lost star and bring it back to Celestia. Armed with nothing but courage and determination, Luna journeyed across the mystical realm of Celestia, encountering magical creatures, treacherous obstacles, and unexpected allies along the way. With each step she took, Luna grew stronger and more determined to fulfill her quest and bring back the lost star. As Luna's journey led her to the darkest corners of the kingdom, she discovered the true power of friendship, kindness, and the unwavering belief in the impossible. With the help of her newfound friends and the guidance of ancient spirits, Luna finally reached the edge of the universe, where Stella awaited, trapped in a prison of darkness. In a climactic battle against the sorcerer, Luna unleashed the light within her heart, breaking the dark spell and setting Stella free. As Stella returned to the sky, its radiant light illuminating the kingdom once more, Celestia was reborn, more vibrant and beautiful than ever before. With the lost star restored and hope reignited, Luna and the inhabitants of Celestia celebrated their victory, knowing that as long as they held on to courage and love, their kingdom would shine brightly for eternity. And so, the legend of Luna and the lost star became a timeless tale of courage, friendship, and the enduring power of light in the face of darkness.